So I'm here now with Dr. Boyle. Welcome, Dr. Boyle. You're a very special attendee we have at this conference because you've come all the way from Australia to join us.
Yes.
Was it worth it?
Absolutely worth it, every minute. I don't know, I think I'm falling in love. Sorry for my husband. Falling in love with Dr. Anderson is just amazing, but all the other lectures have been
Now, are you
absolutely
falling in love
fantastic.
with his good looks or his content?
Concepts, I think, but yeah, he's also a good-looking man. Yeah, no, it really is fantastic. I think it's one of the best conferences I've attended in recent times. It is to the point, it's hands-on, it is well documented. It gives, I totally adore the tumor cancer cell biology, which is really where we're coming from.
Right.
And unites really anybody who is naturopathic oncology will great.
And some of those added features that we focus on, like the foods and the course material, how have you found that?
Right, okay, well, somebody said the naturopaths are kind of obsessed with food.
Yes.
I can confirm it's absolutely right. Yes, we are all obsessed with food, but in a good way. And having organic, wonderful plant-based foods, gluten-free, dairy-free, hypoallergenic is a real treat. So
and you feel you've learnt a lot that you can now take back to Australia and put into your practice?
Absolutely,
yeah?
yes. Definitely I feel really re-energized. There's a lot more to share with my patients. I've already messaged a lot of them to say, stand by, I've got things I want to talk to you about. So, yeah.
And as you know, or if you don't know, I'm about to tell you, we do those follow-up webinars that's included in your registration.
Right.
So when you get back, if you're reading on the flight back, you have a long time to read. Any questions, you can follow up with Dr. Anderson by way of these ongoing webinars.
Yes, that's right. So thank you very much. This is really a great treat. The organization has been fantastic. The follow-up amazing. So I can't wait to come back. Maybe Scottsdale in 2020.
Well, wouldn't that be wonderful?
Yes.
We wish you a very safe flight back.
Thank you very much.
It's been great getting to know you. Thank you, Dr. Boyle.
Thank you.